Okay, here we are at the Pat Bailey Civic Square, Ajax, Ontario. This is locked. Unfortunately, can't get in there. It's not open yet. That's alright. Take a look around. It's the Civic Center. This place. Can't access the elevators yet. It would be nice if they actually put a sign up when they open. Unless. Okay. There's the back washrooms. Smoking. Let's see, I'm here. Glasses. I'm here. Well then. Building B. Building A, which are the two residential buildings here. Someone's requesting me to take those elevators here. Yeah. So go outside anyway, so photography obviously is allowed. So, this way. So, oh, Spectral are the vans and the speaker. Outdoor models. Okay, I think we can't go in there, obviously. So, yep, that's pretty much it. That's the residential portion. So, I'm not going to go in there. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm over here now, if it's open.